So you're going to teach me how to make macaroons. What's a macaroon, first of all?
So a macaron, I like to just tell people.
Macaron.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's macaroon is a coconut cookie with chocolate dipped.
Okay.
Macaron is what we're making today.
Okay,
So,
I'm going to start over that so we don't have to clear that
No,
up.
that's
So,
okay.
okay. What's a macaron?
So
It's
a
your
macaron
specialty.
Is I like to just call it a cookie sandwich. That's the easiest way to describe it. Almond flour is the base, so it's like an almondy cookie with buttercream in the middle.
Okay, and you're going to teach me how to make yours.
Yes,
What's your recipe?
I can't tell you.
You can't tell me.
I have worked on it for years, and I don't want someone to come after me.
Fair enough. We won't tell anybody. How do we get started?
Okay, so we're gonna start with the egg whites and egg yolks. So we don't need the yolks, we just need the whites.
All right, I'm going to let the expert do the rest of them. So,
I had an Easy Bake Oven when I was a little kid, and I would beg my mom like every single weekend. I'd be like, "Can we go get like more Easy Bake Oven mix?" Because I just loved baking. So
okay, what's our next step?
we're making a meringue.
Okay.
So we're going to whip this up until it gets foamy, and then we add the sugar. And then this is when I add my food coloring.
How can you tell it's done?
The way you tell, you just flip it upside down.
All right.
Now we are going to put the powdered sugar and the almond flour in this bowl
Okay.
and crush up the chunks. Okay. Do you want to dump this in here?
Sure. So is it your secret combination of things that makes it this
It's just
sort
the
of...
ratio. It's
Right.
the same ingredients that everybody uses. And then we fold. So this part is very important because if you fold it and you put too much air in it, you'll get too many bubbles.
What were you thinking, when you decided to make the jump to doing this as a business?
I just have always wanted, like when I was younger, I always was a little entrepreneur, but also baking is just my favorite thing. I never get bored of it.
Yeah.
I feel like I get bored of things, but I've never gotten bored of this. So that's how I knew that I could do it forever. All right, I'm gonna let you do this.
Okay. Circle, fold.
Yeah, like that.
Circle, and it's kind of scrape the edges.
Yep,
You're just trying to get the air out, right?
correct. Are you ready to pipe these?
I'm ready to pipe. Fill it up, and I'm gonna hold it from the top.
Yes,
And then I just squeeze a little.
squeeze from the top, yep.
Squeeze from the top.
And if you get closer, it'll come out in like a circle. There you
Like
go.
that?
Yeah.
Okay. Should we do the fake, oh, they're done now thing?
Yeah.
Does look nice?
Thank you. You know they're done because they just pop off. So then we got our buttercream here.
This is pressure. I don't want to ruin them. About this much?
Perfect.
Good?
Yeah.
What's next?
I want a storefront one day, and I want to just expand. I really want to make like Japanese-inspired treats because I'm half Japanese, and a lot of that is like nostalgic for me.
These look great.
Thank you.
I think we should try some. Pretty good.
Yeah.
Really good. Well done. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.